Hi, it's Greg from GOK Car Scene. First video for 2018, doing an oil change on my Clio. Also going to be focusing a lot more about doing walk around my cars, what I've been doing to them, track day events, also car shows, everything to do with cars really. I've got a passion for that. Hopefully get out to some Formula One races as well during the year, and do some coverage as well as different racing events, hill climbs, rally events. So there's going to be a lot more coming through every month, and please subscribe and enjoy the videos. First one coming up right now for 2018. Okay, so welcome to one of my first videos of 2018. I'll be doing the oil change in my car, which is a Renault Clio Expression Tce 90. It's a 3-cylinder turbo. The current model Clio is the only one with this engine that comes in a manual transmission, so I've actually done it up as a project car. I'll be doing a feature video a little bit later on to show you what I've done to the car, but today I'm just going to be doing the oil change. I do have a filter and a filter cover which I'll be replacing, as well as the previous oil, which has been the ALF oil that they recommend. So as we can see just down the bottom here, as I do a lot of track day videos, pushing the car on the track, I'm going to be putting in the Newlon racing oil, fully synthetic, 5W40. About 6 litres will go in with the oil change, and I will actually be doing the changeover with the new cover. Last time I did it, this little bit got a little bit grinded, so I'm going to actually replace the whole thing just to be sure. And I also have the genuine Renault filter, okay, and the extras that come with it, the little pin and clip, little surrounding there which goes around as well, and the little rubber strip which will go around it also. So they're going to get changed along with that oil. Hope you enjoy the video, and yeah, let me know what you think. Obviously it's something that's not really online a lot. Just a little clip of the current garage at the moment, all Renaults at the moment, RS265, Renault Megane GT, and also the little Clio Expression Tce 90 3-cylinder turbo project car, which we'll do a feature on very soon. A lot more happening to this vehicle over the year. Entering a lot of sprints this year, street sprints and also time attack. Just something a lot different, a lot of fun, which hopefully will you guys enjoy, and see you soon. Okay, so just about to slip underneath the car, undo a few screws, which I'm using the Tool Pro T30 torque screw. There's a few under there which I need to loosen up in order to fold down the under tray of the engine. It's pretty simple. Just going to go underneath there, as you can see. We've got the Underground Racing front underbody strut bar, which is behind that plastic. Some of the screws there. Just going to go underneath there. Okay, so we've got pretty much year one there. So in that size, which goes in, making sure I can actually get it in there. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, just going to loosen those ones up so we can get this thing off. This plastic cover right here. Right, so all of them are undone. I'm just going to pull this down a little bit, like I've done there. Okay, so we can see underneath the actual engine, that is the actual filter cover, which is a little bit grinded. I'm just going to replace that so I don't have any issues. And then also we're going to access the point where we drain the oil, which is just that one there. Okay, won't take too long, it's pretty simple. You just do this you just do those two things and it's done. Okay, another little toolbox here, made by Tool Pro. You can get these in super cheap auto stores. They're very well known. This one actually is a sun plug removal set. A lot of different plugs here for all sorts of vehicles. Just take that plastic cover off, and the one for the Renault Clio Tce 90 is actually the Tool Pro S516. Okay, it's a square type input, very, very simple, easy to undo, which I will show you in a moment. Still going, almost done, still draining a little bit. Once that finishes off itself, I will change the filter. That'll be the next step to do that, and then put it all together, and then it's done. Okay, it's almost finished dripping. So that's, yeah, I've just waited probably about 15 minutes, still going a little bit. That's the next one to do. Last time I did it, it did grind a little bit. It was quite stiff, hard to undo. I'm going to give it another go, and I've got a replacement for that, just to be sure it doesn't stuff me up next time when I'm actually trying to undo it and tighten it. We'll see how we go this time. Just twisting the cover anti-clockwise, and that will just go in there. And that's the dirty filter. And I'll give that a wipe down on the inside as well. As you can see, the oil there, that's pretty much all drained, and then I'll actually put in some fresh oil soon and put this back together. Okay, so just about to put the filter in. It sort of pops in there. That's the cover. Alright, so just undoing the oil cap now. It's not even coming undone. There we go. Try and do it one-handed, it's a bit heavy.
Do you want me to hold the funnel?
Who needs to go to the gym when you can work on your car? That's gone in. That is 5 litres. Oh, it's nice and clean. I've still got an extra litre of oil. I'll check that out later once I lower the car. It's on ground level, and I can sort it out later. And that's pretty much it, doing the oil change on the vehicle. Hope you enjoy the video, and see you next time.